Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. I wanted to go over a quick way how to convert your screen to a mini whiteboard. Ideal for many subjects, but especially mathematics. So with three tools, a Chromebook with a touch screen, or anything with a touch screen, a tablet, a Surface, anything that has a touch screen. A whiteboard app, there are many out there. I'm going to be using EasyChalk. It's easy to use, hence the name EasyChalk. And Google Hangouts, which I'm using right now, and I'm recording this session. But if you want to convert this over to a whiteboard, to do a recording, show some students some stuff, what you need to do is not only record your Google Hangouts, but you have to hit the Present Now bottom right-hand corner, which I'm going to do in a second. Share a window, hit share, give it a second or two. I am now sharing my screen. I already have EasyChalk pulled up, which you can download as an app in the Chrome store. And you can also just use the web-based version. So let me just clear my screen here for you. You can see it's a basic whiteboard function similar to Active Inspire, and you could use Active Inspire too, but that's quirky. On a touchscreen, you can find something like this and simply start to present to your students. Move to a different page, clear it, and move on. There's erase functions, shapes. This would be for quick demo purposes. And when you're done, you go back to your session, bottom right-hand corner, hit stop presenting. And we'll go back to your camera. And now I'm going to move to stop recording. So again, touchscreen Chromebook, whiteboard app. Just use EasyChalk, but there are many out there, and Active Inspire may very well work as well. And Google Hangouts recording. Talk soon.